So today marks a thrilling step forward for Orange Coast College as we announce the launch of our Rocketry Science program. This new program expands our Department of Aviation Sciences and introduces an innovative hands-on rocketry lab that will open new pathways for our students.
Let's take the time to recognize that it's really a whole team effort. We wouldn't be able to have this program if it wasn't for the time, effort, sacrifices made by the men and women in this whole industry. So I want to take the time here to recognize the ones who actually paved the path for us.
Before the world saw those footprints in the powder of the moon, there was a different kind of team. We've got a team right here, and I'm so glad to see that, because that's how we got there, was Team Apollo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.